The future of Pakistan-China relations. In 1950, Pakistan recognized the People's Republic of China as the official government of China. In other words, Pakistan supported the Communist Party taking over China. Because Pakistan was accepting of this government, China and Pakistan started diplomatic relations on the 21st of May, 1951. As the relationship between the United States and Pakistan dwindles, China's relationship with Pakistan has grown stronger as Pakistan seeks for help to keep their struggling country alive. In the next 5 years, however, China's influence in Pakistan could increase because of the increasing role of China in the economy of Pakistan. China has sought to increase economic relations with Pakistan through the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, or CPEC for short, is a collection of projects that are currently under construction throughout Pakistan. These projects are intended to modernize the infrastructures of Pakistan by building modern transportation networks and creating new energy sources. As we can see in this map, these networks of transportation connect Gwadar and Karachi seaports with western China. The mission statement of CPEC is to improve the lives of people of Pakistan and China by building an economic corridor promoting bilateral connectivity, construction, explore potential bilateral investment, economic trade, logistics, and people-to-people contact for regional connectivity. As a result of the CPEC, many Pakistani people are being employed. With more people employed, the economy of Pakistan could potentially improve. Pakistan has offered to let other countries like the United States and Saudi Arabia join CPEC, but China was not as willing to let others join. This is because China does not want more people using the seaports. Some people are saying that the main reason China is cooperating with Pakistan is to secure the region and achieve their desired goals, such as access to the Indian and Arabian Seas, surveillance on US and Indian naval activities, and access to the markets of the Middle East, particularly in the field of energy. Along with their diplomatic and economic relations, Pakistan and China have a strong military relationship. China's support for Pakistan started during the 1962 and 1965 wars with India over Kashmir. They were cemented early on through a border agreement, which remains unrecognized by India, in 1963. These military ties have proven to last over the years. For example, 2 weeks after the United States stopped supplying security aid to Pakistan, the Pakistani Air Force and Chinese officials put the final touches on a secret proposal to expand Pakistan's building of Chinese military jets, weaponry, and other hardware. Some people believe that CPEC is just a front for China to increase their military power. They say that China is, for the first time, explicitly tying a Belt and Road proposal to its military ambitions, and confirming the concerns of a host of nations who suspect the infrastructure initiative is really about helping China project armed might. However, in the recent turmoil between Pakistan and India over Kashmir, China did not want to take sides. China would normally support Pakistan in wars against India, but since China has entered a trade war with the United States, they have become trading partners with India. Thus, they didn't want to engage in the dispute over Kashmir for fear of losing out on Indian trade. This lack of military support has caused some to wonder if China's unwillingness to assist Pakistan in their wars against India will break the trust between the Pakistan and Chinese governments. Because of the lack of progress between the United States and China in regards to the trade war, I believe that within the next 5 years China will not support the Pakistani army as much as it has in the past.